sunrise breaks, another day is dawning, a brand new shape for us to understand. Got a question burning deep inside us, calling a mystery held right here in our hand. Is it tall and steady, standing strong and true? Or does it rise and taper, pointing to the blue?
The clock is ticking, gotta make a choice now. Listen to the silence, what does the shape say? One base, two bases, gotta know the truth now before we calculate and light the way. Oh, we are the opposites of volume. It's the status and it's all and proud and free. The volume is area of space-time tight. Yeah, area of space-time tight for all the world to see. It's a boy reaching for the sky so high. Let's see if deep times age by dividing by free. Shine till the heavens ready fly. Volume is the key for you and me. From a soup can to a towering grain silo, pyramid of G's, the ancient so good. Gamboa showed us the way we should go. Letter and paper, power in our hand. If it's a cylinder or a prism, clear and bright. Two parallel bases shining in the light. The clock is ticking, you gotta make a choice now. Listen to the silence, what does the shape say? One base, two bases, gotta know the truth now before we calculate and light the way. Oh, we are the architects of volume. It's the snatch, take it all and proud and free. The volume is area of space-time tight. The area of space-time tight for all the world to see. If it's a boy reaching for the sky so high, it's area of space-time tight, but divided by three. Until you have to let it fly. Volume is the key for you and me. It's not just numbers on a page of simple sum. It's understanding how the world is truly built, from every building to the drums, the rhythm of our life. No more confusion, no more doubt, no more guilt. We're finding answers, standing strong, united here.